Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage connected devices in the Pinterest app. First we have to open up the app. Here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on our profile icon. Then we scroll down and under the login section we tap on security. And then here we tap on connected devices. And here we have the devices that are connected to our account, and if we want to end the activity on one of the devices, we can just tap on end activity, and then the app is going to log out. The account is going to be logged out from on that device on which we ended the activity. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.